Hi everyone, my name is Marianne Eaglehoff with Homes by Eaglehoff Properties, eXp Realty. And I'm coming to you today live from my open house on this really great little condo that we've got here. It's not so little, it's got some nice room and unbelievable storage here. It is at 115 St. James Court, St. Peters, Missouri. And we'd love for you to come out and take a look because this condo is not going to last very long. So I'm just going to give you a kind of a brief tour and show you the storage that's phenomenal. I also want you to know that for me, this is all about making dreams come true, one home at a time, and it really is a thrill to be of service to everyone. So please join me for this quick tour. So here we're going to your front door. You enter into the foyer. I want to show you how this is one of your coat closets. Look at that. I mean, that is huge, right out off the entranceway. We make our way to the kitchen. And you know, all your appliances are included. Look at this, your pantry. Awesome. Lots of cabinetry space. These were custom upgraded cabinets at the time of the build, and lo and behold, aren't they back in style again? It's really great to see. Your sink looks out, again, into this great room, and we'll again tour everything. I just wanted to let you know, when you come by, I do have some material that's free to you. So I've got the Home Buyer's Guide, and I have my book, Selling Secrets, which you can't afford to miss. I have different things here. If you have a buyer's agent already, perfect. Have them just come in, they're gonna sign here. Got some treats when you come by. And I also have a little booklet where I have in there how many restaurants that are nearby, 87, all the hospitals close by, your seller's disclosure, all the information that you need in making a decision. These are 9-foot ceilings, by the way, guys, which is huge for just awesomeness, so uplifting. We're gonna come in, this is your foyer, you're gonna come in, you're gonna turn right. This would be your utility. Now this here is another huge closet for you, so you're not gonna have a problem with storing things here. This is all new flooring, new window treatments. This is your secondary bedroom. Our office, which I could use. And then here you got a great, nice closet. And as you come out of the bedroom or your office, you're gonna go into your bathroom. Again, you've got the 9-foot ceilings. Everything's fresh and clean. It's just waiting for you. Okay, so we're gonna come out of that hallway and we're gonna make another right, and this is gonna lead us to your primary bedroom. But again, look at the storage in this. This is in the hallway. What I love about this primary bedroom, I do love not just the 9-foot ceilings, but I do like that bay window and the extra window. Let's take a look at this bathroom. It is so big. I mean, it's nice and wide. Definitely won't have any problems maneuvering around here. And I can't remember, did we go into the walk-in closet? If not, you're gonna have to see it twice. But again, lots of room. And as we go out, we're gonna go down the hallway and we re-enter into your great room. And if I didn't mention this, I forgot to mention this, and it's huge. This is a ground floor condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I can't give this justice how big your patio really is out here, but what a great way to come home from work or a day out on the weekend, sit out here, grill, maybe have a wine or any beverage of your choice. But again, this condo is not going to last long. I hope that you'll take the time to come on out and see this, and or get with your real estate agent, have her book a showing for you. And if you don't have an agent, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to share any information that I have that can help you. Again, making dreams come true, one home at a time. Have a very happy Holy Saturday and a happy Easter. Thank you.